everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I came to visit one of the popular flower garden located in Laval, Canada. The flower garden is located in Fabreville. Fabreville is a well-known farm in the Quebec region. Particularly famous, it is a pick your own fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, raspberries, pumpkins, and corn. It is a great destination for family outings, offering a variety of season activities. This farm has 175 acres of land. At Fabreville, flower picking is one of the delightful activities you can enjoy during visit. During my visit to Fabreville, I had an opportunity to enjoy their flower picking activity, which was a truly memorable experience. The beauty of the fresh flower combined with the peaceful countryside settings of the farm made the flower picking experience at Fabreville a perfect way to spend a relaxing afternoon. Please find the address and details in the description below. This farm is located just a 30 minutes drive from Montreal. The best time for flower picking is from end of August until September. The entrance fee depends upon age. Children from 0 to 3 years old is free. Children from 4 to 17 is $5.95 plus tax. Adult is $9 plus tax. It is a fantastic opportunity to walk around, take some beautiful photos. Diving into a sea of flowers is certainly a blissful experience. There is wide variety of flowers, but I really know few names. Examples: dahlias, cosmo, marigold, daisy, chrysanthemum, celosia, snapdragon, zinnias, sweet peas, black-eyed Susan, lavender. If you know other flower names, please let me know in the comment section. Flower picking is optional. If you want to pick some, we will be provided with a basket to pick your own flowers. For one flower jar, it costs $15 plus tax. On purchasing 2 jars, $12 per jar plus tax. It was a very sunny day and it was very hot. See the beautiful view of flowers. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like my channel. Did you visit any flower farm in the summer? Please feel free to mention in comment section. The view are stunning and enjoyable. This spot is perfect for capturing gorgeous shots. This farm has lots of kids play area and definitely the kids will enjoy the farm. Where the flower picking experience at Marino, a perfect way to spend a relaxing afternoon. If you know other flower names, please let me know in the comment section. Please find the address and details in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you all in my next video. Thank you all.